100 and 1000, they should be same. They should be same. If there is any discrepancy, or in other words, we can say if they are not equal, then we put 0 before the number and then we apply Nichilam Sutra, right? This we have seen. Now today we are going to use the same formula for multiplication. What we are going to do?
Auntie, you keep on freezing up.
Table of two-digit number. Am I audible?
You said yeah, you are, but you keep on freezing up constantly.
Your voice keeps on breaking up.
My voice is keeping breaking. Oh, now it's okay. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
After 5 minutes, it starts breaking down.
What can I do? I think not a problem. It's okay. From my side, it's okay. Let me check the internet connectivity. Yes, internet connectivity is okay. Can you open this gate? There is an internet problem. Internet, just 2 or 3 bars are there. Okay, just can you open it? No problem. It's okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, so
Pause again.
Suvarna ji, is it okay? Suvarna ji, is it okay?
Actually, you can stop sharing your video. Actually, looks like internet is a problem. So stop sharing video.
Okay, fine.
Your video.
Yes.
Yeah.
My internet connection, it is showing unstable. Right. So, not. एक minute. Stop video. Yes. Okay, is it okay now? Is it okay?
Yeah, much better.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So let's start.
Yes.
So, okay. Chali. So now what we are going to learn? We are going to learn today one more formula, the same formula actually. It is Nichilam Sutra, but this Nichilam Sutra will be used for multiplication of numbers. Okay. And second thing which we are going to learn is table of two-digit number. I assume that you know the tables to 9. But when you have to write the table of, for example, 24, 72, 82, 93, 84, like that. So how to write? You can write within minutes this table of two-digit number. That I will teach you. Okay, so let's go further. So now what we are doing, we are multiplying the numbers by, just a minute, इसको क्या कर दूं? नहीं, एक मिनट. So now we are going to multiply the numbers. How the numbers are there? First case, we are multiplying two numbers which are having equal number of digits. Okay. For example, 234 multiply by 999, right? 234 is having how many number of digits? 3 digits. And 999 is having how many number of digits? 3 digits. Okay. Similarly, 2987 multiply by 49. Here again 4 number of digits are there, and 999 is also having 4 number of digits. So this is the type number 1. When we are multiplying any number with 99 series, okay, 99 series means 99, 999, 49, 59. Whenever we have to multiply such numbers, we will be using which formula? Nichilam Sutra. Second case, whenever 99 series is having more number of digits than the number, second number. For example, here you can see 45 and 999, right? So here 99 series is having more digit and 45 is having less number of digit, right? And here 999, 5 nines are there, and here 2986 means 4 number of digits are there. So that is the type 2 type of problem. So how to solve such problem, that we are going to see. And third case, when 99 series is having less number and this other number is having more number of digits, this is type 3. So in general, there are 3 different types of multiplication, and we will be using Nichilam Sutra to solve these problems. Now question arises, how to do? So just wait, you know the formula. What is the formula? Nichilam Sutra. Meaning is all from 9, last from 10, right? So first of all, we will solve the problem number 1, type number 1. when both the numbers have equal number of digits. Okay. For example, 26 into 99. Okay. 26 into 99. How we will do? Very simple. First, you have to check the number of digits in both the numbers. Then we will forget 99. 99 को आप भूल जाइए. अब क्या नंबर दिख रहा है आपको? 27. तो रिमेंबर अदर नंबर. दूसरा नंबर आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है. अगर यहाँ पर सपोज 13
Excuse
होता.
me.
Yes, yes, please. Yes.
That isn't 27, it's 26.
Yes, I am telling if there is another number, for example, it is 27, 85, 89, any number is there, just forget 99, remember other number. Okay, this you have to do. So step number 1 is forget the 99 and remember the other number by which we have to multiply. Now, the answer will be having two parts. First, understand the steps, then I will explain you by example. So answer is having two parts. What is two parts? The first part is left hand side, other part is right hand side. Okay, this is the step numbers 2. Now, how to obtain the left hand side and how to obtain the right hand side? It's very simple. Now, what you have to do, left hand side is obtained by just subtracting 1 from the number. What is my number? 26, because I have told you forget 99. 99 को तो आप भूल जाइए. किसको याद रखना है आपको? 26 को. और 26 में से 1 subtract किया तो what do you get? You get 25, right? So left hand side is obtained by subtracting 1 from the number. Is clear? Now, right hand side. How the right hand side is obtained? It's very simple. Right hand side is obtained by apply Nicolam Sutra. On second number 26 पर Nicolam Sutra apply कर दीजिए. How to apply the Nicolam Sutra? All from 9, last from 10. Just subtract all the digits from 9 and last digit is to be subtracted by 10. So that will give you right hand side. Yes, please. Yes.
Ma'am, I know this. I have studied this.
You have not understood. You have not.
I
what
have
do you-
understood. I have studied Vedic maths before.
That's okay, fine, not a problem. Good thing. If you know, just revise the things. Okay, beta? Don't worry. You have studied. That's very good thing. And just revise what I am teaching you. Okay, others have not studied, so they should learn. Okay, fine. So let's go further. So I hope you are clear. When both the numbers are having same number of digits, just forget 99 series number. Remember the other number. All please mute yourself. All please mute yourself. Now, what we have to do, just remember this number. Now, answer will be having two parts, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side part is obtained by just subtracting 1 from this number. And right hand side is obtained by applying Nicolam Sutra on 26, right? Let us see by the example so that things will be clear to you. Okay.
I'm
So
still
let's go.
not clear.
Yes, now
I don't
see, all of you see, now note down this problem in your notebook. Please note this problem in your notebook. Example 1, all of you please mute yourself. सुवर्णा जी इन सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए. ये लोग बीच बीच में काफी डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं.
I didn't understood.
Okay, beta, you can understand now. You just see 26 multiply by 99 you have to do, right? Tick. Listen carefully. Everyone, please listen carefully. Write this problem 26 multiply by 99. Now, how to multiply this? What is your traditional method? First, you multiply by 9, then you multiply by 9, and then you add. So, 3 steps are required in this multiplication. Right? Now, by using Vedic maths formula, how you can solve? It's within 10 seconds you can solve this problem. How it is obtained? So just forget 99. जो number में 99 series है, just you have to forget that number. What is the other number? Other number is 26. Subtract 1 from this. Subtract 1 from this. So 26 minus 1 will become 25, right? So 25 is your left hand side part. Okay. Now, How to obtain the right hand side part? Apply Nicolam Sutra on 27. तो क्या करेंगे? Just 9 minus 2, 7. And last digit is to be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. So your answer will become 2574. Is that clear? What we have done, again I am repeating. Understand, whatever 99 series is there, just forget that number. Remember only 26. Subtract 1 from this number. So 26 minus 1 will be 25. So it will be your left hand side part. And what is your right hand side part? Just apply Nicolam Sutra. Yesterday we have learned Nicolam Sutra. All from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 2, 7. 10 minus 6, 4. So your answer will be 25 and 74. So this is the answer. You can see in the last line, 26 multiplied by 99. You can write the answer as 2574. Okay, let's solve one more problem so that things will be clear to you. Okay, now again go to the problem. Just note down this problem in your notebook. 45 into 99. This is my example number 2. Now forget 99. 99 ko bhul jaiye. What is the second number? Second number is 45. Now what you have to do? Subtract 1. So 45 minus 1 will be 44. So that will be your left hand side part. Now what will be the right hand side part? Very simple. Apply Nicolam Sutra on this number 45. So 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. So answer will be 4455. यहाँ पर मैंने mistake किया. So it will be 55. मैं कभी कभी intentionally mistake करती हूँ so that you can find out. Okay, चलिए. So I hope the things are clear. Any question at this point of time?
I have a question.
No question, right? Okay,
I-
let's go further.
I have a question.
Yes, what a question. What is your question?
So for 55, if you put the Nicolam Sutra,
We are
Isn't
applying
it-
Nicolam. We are applying Nicolam Sutra on 45, right? So what is the answer? 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And left hand side digit is obtained by subtracting 1 from 45. So this is the answer. 44.
so we do the first number only?
Pardon, Siddhi?
So we only do the first number?
First number means, what do you mean by first number?
Like 45?
No. See, this particular formula is used whenever we are multiplying any number by 999 series. Okay? 99 series. मतलब जो 99 series है, उसका एक number होगा and other number will be anything, right? Clear? So in this, let's go for one more problem so that things will be clear. See, another example. 456 multiplied by 999. How many number of digits are there? Both numbers are having 3 digits. So nothing to do. Nothing to worry. Both are same, right? Same number of digits. Same nahi hai. They are having same number of digits. 3 in 456 and 3 digits in 999. अब आपको कैसे करना है? Forget 999. आप 999 को भूल जाइए. ठीक है? रूहान, क्लियर है ना बेटा? Thumbs up कर दीजिए if it is clear. I can see you. Are you getting? Are you getting? Okay. Now what we have to do? Subtract 1 from the left hand side. So 456 minus 1 will be 455, right? Right. And what will be the right hand side? Apply Nicolam Sutra. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 10 minus 6 is 4. So answer is 455, 544. So simple. Just you need not to do the complete procedure. Just you can write directly answer. 456 में से बन गया तो 455 and apply Nicolam Sutra. So answer will be 544. Is it so easy? Is it easy or not? It is so easy, right? Yes, it is so easy. Just within 10 seconds you can do. We will solve one more problem so that things will be clear to you. Like, oh my God, so big number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 multiply by 6 9s. How will you do? आपका ट्रेडिशनल मेथड होता तो आप क्या करते? पहले 9 से करते, फिर 9 से सारा करने के बाद ऐड करते, right? That is your traditional method. But here using Vedic maths formula, just you can use Nicolam Sutra and you can write your answer in just 10 seconds. How you will write? What is forget 999? ये number of series जो है इसको तो भूल जाए, इसको देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं. What is the other number? Other number is 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just subtract 1 from this. इसमें से 1 subtract किया तो आंसर will be 4 5 6 7 8 8. 9 में से 1 गया तो 8 आ गया, right? तो 4 5 6 7 8 8. This is your left hand side. Now what will be your right hand side? It's so simple. Apply Nicolam Sutra. तो apply Nicolam Sutra means 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 10 minus 9 is 1. So अब आपको यदि वैदिक निकलम सूत्र फॉर्मूला याद है तो just in using mental calculation you can write directly the answer, right? You can write the answer directly. Is that clear? Is that clear? So simple. Within 10 seconds. How much time you are taking in writing? That much time is required for solving a particular multiplication. है ना? Clear हो गया? Okay. Any doubt? Any question at this point of time? Is clear? Yes. What is the problem, Vedant?
So after you write the question, did you like when you like
no, not audible.
when you cut 1 from the last number,
One cut nahi, one subtraction. Yes, one subtraction is
when you
one is
subtract
subtracted. Yes, that is your left hand side part. देखिए लिखा है मैंने. How it is obtained? It is obtained by 4 5 6 8 9 minus 1. So it is 4 5 6 7 8 8, right? And how the right hand side is obtained? The right hand side is obtained by applying Nicolam Sutra on this number. 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 6 3. Just write down. Subtract all from 9 and last from 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So this is your final answer. Is that clear? Is that clear? Everyone clear? Right? Yes. Arna is not there. Pratibha Kishore Shah. Okay. Clear? Should I go further? Any question, any doubt at this point of time? Yes.
No,
ma'am.
Okay.
good.
Very good. Got it? Okay. Fine. So let's do one more problem. Okay. So how it will be now? Let's do. एक और problem करते हैं. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So now this is a practice problem. You just note down each and every problem and write the answer in your notebook, or you can write in the chat box also. I have written the answers. Don't worry. 2 3 4 5. Now just see. 2 3 4 5 multiply by 4 9, right? How many number of digits are there? In this 4 digit, in this 4 digits. So no need to worry. If both the numbers are having 4 digits, so no need to worry. Now what we are doing, just you can write in a single line. No need to do big multiplication. Left hand side is obtained by subtracting 1. So 2 3 4 5 minus 1 will be 2 3 4 4, right? 2 3 4 4. Is that clear? 2 3 4 4. कैसे लिखा? 2 3 4 5 minus 1 means 2 3 4 4. है ना? And apply Nicolam Sutra. 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 4 5, 10 minus 5 5, right? Okay, some problems. Okay, is there any question? Let me see. Okay, people are writing in the chat box. That's great thing. Thank you. Very good. Everyone is right. So you please do. Okay, so what I do now? You try all the problems. Next problem. 4987 multiply by 49. Don't copy the answer from here. Please do yourself. Okay. So left hand side is obtained by subtracting 1. Vedant, clear hai? 4987 minus 1. So it will be 4986, right? And right hand side is obtained by applying Nicolam Sutra. 9 minus 4 5. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 10 minus 7 is 3. Right? है ना? It's so simple. Very good. Siddhi, Arahan, all of you are getting? Yes, Lavanya, Miraya. Yes, what is the problem? Please ask. At a time only one, please. Yes, boliye.
Ma'am, I am Lavanya. Can I tell the question?
Pardon? दो लोग एक साथ मत बोलिए, please. At a time only one. I am not able to listen.
I'm Lavanya. Can I tell the question?
हाँ.
Ma'am, here the number here you have written 2, 3, 4, 5 into 9999.
Yes.
So we will minus 23.
Not 23 minus. बेटा सुनो फिर से listen carefully Lavanya. This number is to be 4 9 numbers are multiplied by 2 3 4 5, right? What we have to do
Yes.
now, forget 4 9. ये जो 9 दिख रहे हैं ना आपको भूल जाइए, forget it. Okay, what number you have to remember? 2 3 4 5, right? अब क्या करना remember मतलब just see, just check this number. Now subtract 1 from this. तो 1 subtract किया तो 2 3 4 5 minus 1 will be 2 3 4 4, right? आपका ये last digit 5 है, उसमें से 1 subtract करेंगे तो it will become 2 3 4 4, right? है ना? Clear है लावण्या? Now second part, right hand side part is obtained by applying Nikilam Sutra. 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 4 5, and 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so complete answer will be 2 3 4 4 7 6 5 5. So here whatever I have written in black, this is your left hand side part. Whatever I have written in red, that is your right hand side part. Okay, so left hand side part is obtained by subtracting 1 from this number, and right hand side part is obtained by applying Nikilam Sutra on this number. You need not to see anything in this. The 4 9 series जो है इसको आप भूल जाइए, इसको देखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Okay, now another problem. So I hope people are doing. Let me see the chat. Okay, next problem has, oh very good, Misha has done. Krisha has तो बहुत बड़ा problem कर लिया. Krisha ने Krish ने very good, Krish, and Tashvi ने भी किया है. Okay, fine.
Question.
Yes, बोलिए. Who is this?
Siddhi.
Okay, Siddhi. Yes, Siddhi, please ask the question.
So for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, sorry. When you're subtracting 10 minus 1, like this last number is 0. So how do we do that? How do we
This one,
subtract?
you are talking about which number? 2350?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, listen. So now listen carefully. All of you please note. 2350 multiplied by 49, right? Both are having 4 number of digits, so nothing to worry, right? This is our type 1 problem. Okay. Now forget 4 nines, तो आप भूल जाइए इसको भी. Now what is my number? My number is 2350. इसकी तरफ आपको देखना है. Look at this number. Now how the left hand side number is obtained? Left hand side number is obtained by subtracting 1. So 2350 में when you subtract 1, what do you get? 2349, right? 50 में से 1 subtract किया तो 49, right? So 2350 minus 1 will be 2349. Now how the right hand side is obtained? Apply Nikilam Sutra. 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 4 5 4, and 10 minus 0, 10 minus 0 10. याद आया कल अपन ने किया था. 10 carries generated. 0 1 को बोलता है ए भाई कोरोना टाइम डोंट सिट विथ मी. 1 बोलता है ओके डोंट वरी आई विल गो विथ 4. 4 के साथ चला जाऊंगा, and 4 and 1 are joined together. So my answer will be 2 3. Yeah, sorry, I have made a mistake. It will be 2 3 4 9. Okay, let me do correction. I'd make the mistakes intentionally so that you are able to understand कि हाँ आप सही समझ रहे हैं कि नहीं समझ रहे. Okay, चलिए. So 2 3 4 9 7 6 and 4 and 1 are added together, so it will become 5 and 0. So simple. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, good, Siddhi. All of you are clear with this problem. What we have done? We have learned Nikilam Sutra yesterday, right? And whenever a carry is generated, you have to remember that this number is to be added with the previous digit. क्योंकि ये कोरोना का समय चल रहा है, 0 1 के साथ नहीं बैठना चाहता है, तो 1 1 4 को बोलता है ए भाई मैं तेरे साथ आता हूँ. भाई 4 बोलता है ओके आज अपन साथ में बैठते हैं. They join together, they are added together, and 4 plus 1 becomes 5, right? Right? आप इसको ऐसे याद रखिए. Now next problem. 2498540 multiply by 69. See, check the number of digits. Here 6 number, 6 nines are there. Here again 2 4. यहाँ पर क्या है? 7 number of digits. 2 2 4 5 6 3 3 6. Okay. So here again there is 8 minute. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay, so this particular problem, last problem, you please note how many number of nines are there? 7 nines are there. And 2498540 mein how many number digits are there? 7 digits are there. So how the left hand side digit is obtained? Just subtract 1. So 2498540, last ka 40 mein se 1 subtract kiya to it will become 39. So write the number as it is. है ना? Subtract 1 from this. So it will be 2498539, right? 40 में से 1 subtract किया, it will be 39. Now right hand side digit, how it is obtained? Apply Nikilam Sutra. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 0, 10. So what we have to do? We have to add 5 and 1 together. So 5 and 1 will be added together and it will become 6. Remaining digits will be same, right? Clear? Any question? Vedant, is it clear? Vedant, is it clear? Arhan, is it clear? सबको समझ में आया? Miraya, are you getting?
Yes, I got it, ma'am.
I'm
Very
not
good. Vivan,
I'm
Vivan,
not
Vivan is not getting. Vivan,
No,
what is the?
I'm not get.
Okay, what is the problem? Please tell me. What is the problem?
The problem is, in Niklam Sutra, the last number, we subtract 10, and then in this one, we are only also subtracting 9 from the last number 2.
But listen, no, we are subtracting initial digits from 9 and last digit is subtracted from 10. Now see what we have done. What we have done, 2498540, we are applying Nikilam Sutra. 9 minus 2, 7, ये. This is your left hand side part, beta. ये जो initial part है ना, 2498539. This is your left hand side part and this is your right hand side part. So 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. Please mute. Please mute. Huh. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. And 10 minus 0. See, I have subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 0 is 10. And now it is a carry. So this will be added with the next digit. So 5 and 1 are added together. So it will be 6. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Thank
Okay,
you,
should
ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Chaliye. So I will give you now one problem on the क्या कहते हैं अपना बोर्ड पर सॉल्व करते हैं अपन लोग. ओके, सो दैट थिंग्स विल बी ओके. मैं यही स्लाइड में ही बता देती पूछती हूँ आप लोगों से. ओके, सो एड द स्लाइड कर देती हूँ मैं यहाँ पर, यहीं पर लिख देती हूँ. Okay, so yes, 4587 multiply by 9999. Write down the answer in the chat box. 4587 into 49. Write the answer in the chat box. बहुत simple है. First, forget 4 nines. Check the number as 4587. Obtain the left hand side part by subtracting 1 and right hand side part is obtained by applying Nikilam Sutra. I have repeated the process. Okay, now you do. I have told you the complete step. Now you write the answer in the chat box. Yes, let me see how many of you have done this answer correctly. Okay, very nice. 4586. Very nice, very nice. Oh, great. 9 minus 8. That's good. That's good. Very nice. Happy to see that my students are replying. Oh, all of you are using Vedic Maths formula, right? You are not using calculator. I hope so. I hope so. है ना? So this is the answer. देखिए अब मैं कैसे लिख रही हूँ? 4, 5, 8, 7 में से 1 गया 6. So it will be this. Right hand side is obtained by 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 10 minus 7 is 3. Right? So this is final answer. No problem, Misha. I understand. Don't worry. Very good, Divya. No calculator use. You are using Vedic maths formula. That's good. Now one more problem. एक मिनट थोड़ा सा मैं इसका size बढ़ा देती हूँ.
Auntie, can you present it so it's bigger?
Pardon?
Can you make it bigger, the slide bigger?
Yeah. That's what I am doing now, beta. Actually, I wanted to use this board. Then again, many times the screen share is required. So I thought, why not to use this? Okay. So this is
Okay.
the answer. Okay. Now next problem. Let me do again. Control C. Now you do. I give you another problem. Let's do. I'm giving you one more problem. Okay. Just let me finish it. पहले problem दे दूं मैं आपको. 0 and 3 multiplied by 9. Write the answer. Just 10 seconds. It should not take more than 10 seconds. Okay. Write the answer immediately without wasting much time. Just look the number 14037 and solve the problem and write the answer in the chat box. It's so fast. Who has done fast? Let me check. Oh, who is the first? Pratik Ranjan. Very good, Pratik Ranjan. 9 minus 3. Very good. Aditya, Krish Chheda, Divya. Very nice. Good. Loved it. So, what is the answer? How you will write? Just I'm again telling you 1 4 0 3 6. हो गया left hand side? क्या किया मैंने? Just 1 subtract किया. So 37 से क्या बन गया? 36. Very good. Now right hand side. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. And 10 minus 7, 3. Right? So this is the answer. 8, 5. Ye last में Sarth, you have made a mistake. Yes, love. Yes. Daksh, you are right. Sarth, last में थोड़ी सी mistake कर दी आपने बेटा. Just check करिए फिर से. Okay. So hope the things are clear. Now last problem. Last problem is again I am giving you. Just wait. इसी में change करती हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा so that size will not.
Ma'am, I have once more question.
Yes,
Can
बेटा
I-
पूछिए.
Ma'am, here in the everyone they are writing
हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
like they are writing 14036.
Yes, beta 36 because left hand side part में what we are, this is left hand side part, right? Just see, this is left hand side part and left hand side
Yes,
part is
ma'am.
obtained by subtracting 1. So 37 में से 1 subtract किया तो 36. So answer will be 14036 and right hand side
ma'am.
part. हाँ बोलिए.
So the answer would be only 85962 or the full answer would be 14036.
Full answer. This is the full answer. ये full answer होगा. Not only the left hand side part. Both part you have to write. Left hand side part as well as right hand side part. Okay, clear?
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Very good. चलिए, so let's do this problem. 820600. Okay, 610.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the problem. Last problem. This is the last problem. Please do once again. 820610 and 5. Oh, that's clever. Solid.
But how can you do it? Because we cannot minus the 0.
Why not you can minus 0? 10 minus 0 की जगह 10. You consider 2 digits. 9. You can write 9. Instead of 10, you can write 9. 0, 9. 10 can be written. 10 में से 1 subtract किया तो क्या आएगा आंसर? 9. So you can write 820609. Okay, this will be your answer. This is your left hand side part. Okay बेटा. अब right hand side part लिखिए. Apply Nikilam Sutra. 9 minus 8 1. 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 6 3. 9 minus 1 8. On the 10 minus 0. Oh, 10 minus 0 में this becomes 10. So both the digits will be added together. So answer will be 820609 179 3 or 8 and 1 are added together. So it will be this. Is that clear? Is that clear? So this is my final answer. Right? Clear?
Ma'am, it's wrong.
Why
Your
it's
answer is
wrong?
wrong.
What? My answer is wrong?
Ah,
How
yes,
it
ma'am.
will
You
be?
please check.
Okay, 82609, 8206, 10 में से subtract किया तो 609 आ गया. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 0 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 1 is 8, 10 minus 0
Okay,
is
okay,
8 and
okay,
1.
okay.
This
Zero
is the
we didn't
last.
see.
ये
Okay, you
last,
added.
please.
Okay.
It
Okay.
cannot be. It cannot be. I am 100%
Okay.
sure. Okay, so this you see this. I have added this one with 8, right? So 8 and 1, 9. So that 9 will be this. Okay, please. Okay, I hope the things are clear. So I hope first case is clear. Type 1 is clear. Everyone is clear. Okay, so let's go further. Should I go further? Yes or no? Please write in the chat box. Please write yes or no. Okay, so let's go further.
Where is ma'am wrong?
What is happening? What happened, beta? Yeah, this is the answer. 820609179390. This is the final answer. You can check by calculator. I think calculator will not be able to give this answer. No, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Calculator will not be able to give this answer. You can check by calculator also, right? But with the help of Vedic maths, you can answer. Okay, that's the beauty of this formula. Okay, let's go further. Should I go further? Okay, now type 2. Now
I have
be
a
careful.
question.
Yes, any question? Yes, please.
So why is it not going to be the same on the calculator?
Pardon?
You said that the answer won't be the same on the calculator.
Calculator gives you the answer up to 10 digits only, right? Just check.
Okay.
Calculator gives the answer up to 10 digits. If calculator.
In my
And here we are having 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 digits are coming, right?
Yeah.
yeah, but in my calculator, I can fit 20 digits.
Okay, if you are having that calculator, that's a great thing. Not a problem. Fine. So your answer will be, you will get the answer via calculator. Okay? Okay. Let's go further. When 99 series has more number of digits, then what to do? So for example, 26 multiplied by 999, right? Now 26 is having how many number of digits, beta? 2. And 999 is having how many number of digits? 3 digits. So just one important thing you have to do, and then follow the previous step. So you have to make all of you please mute.
How, like, if we wanted to multiply without the without the nines, then how would we do it?
Yes, I'm telling you, just wait. 26 multiplied by 999. Now here the number of digits are not equal, right? Multiply. In the previous cases, number of digits were equal, right? In both the numbers. But here, number of digits are less. So just put 10 before 26 and follow the same process. Same process means forget 999. Then apply Nichilam Sutra. Subtract 1 for left-hand side part. The process will be same, right? So what we will do now, see. 26 mein what we will do, you will put 0. So it will become 0 to 6, right? 0 to 6. Now subtract 1. So 0 to 6 mein se 1 subtract kiya, so answer will be 0 to 5, right? And right hand side part is obtained by apply Nichilam Sutra. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 10 minus 6 is 4. Oh my God, auntie has made a mistake. है ना, कोई बात नहीं. कभी कभी आंटी बहुत मिस्टेक इसलिए करती ताकि आप लोग ध्यान से समझ जाए, है ना. 10 minus 6 is 4, right? 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, fine. Okay, so
Can you explain once more?
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. See what is here. What we are observing here. Number of digits in 999 in 99 series is 3. Here number of digits are 2. So what we have to do, since both the numbers are not having same number of digits, we have to put 0 before this number. So it will become 026 and this will become 999. It will remain same, right? Now 0 to 26. Now follow the same process. Same process means left hand side part is obtained by subtracting 1. So 0 to 6 में से if you subtract 1, you will get 0 to 5. And apply Nicolam Sutra. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 10 minus 6, 4. This you have to take care that you have to put 0. And you have to apply Nicolam Sutra on 0 to 6 instead of 26. Okay? Got the point? Got the point? 0 to 6 पर आपको निकलम सूत्र apply करना है. Let's do one problem so that things will be clear to you. So for example, 345 multiply by 49, right? 345 multiply by 49. How many numbers are there? Four numbers are there. And in 345, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So it is less. So what we will do? We will make equal number of digits in both the numbers. Now we will put 0. Now how the answer is obtained? We already know the process. Subtract 1 from this. Forget this 9. ये तो आप भूल जाइए. इसी को देखिए. Now 345 minus 1. 344, right? ये आपको सबको पता है. And apply Nicolam Sutra. Now please remember that Nicolam Sutra is to be applied by considering 0 also. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 10 minus 5 is 5. So answer will be 3449655. Is that clear?
But
Yes.
isn't whenever you add any zero in front of a number, it just is the same number, because no matter how much zeros you put, zeros is not worth anything. So why are we putting the zero? Can we put
Yes, Peter, yes, listen carefully. Yes, listen, I got the point. See, before the number, if you put 0, number's value doesn't change, right? Please mute, please mute. First, please mute. Hai na? Listen carefully what I want to say. This particular 0 is put because we want to calculate we want to apply the Nicolam Sutra on this, right? Otherwise, when we are subtracting, the meaning of this 0 is not at all, right? कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, because before the number, we are putting 0 and we are subtracting from this. So it will be 345 minus 1 will be 344. It doesn't give any sense whether you put 0 before 344 or not. Doesn't make sense. But why we are putting 0? That is very important to calculate the right hand side part. And right hand side part is calculated by applying Nicolam Sutra. So here Nicolam Sutra is to be applied by considering 0. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 10 minus 5 is 5. Just for calculating the right hand side part, we are putting 0, or we can say that we are making number of digits equal in both the numbers. Okay? Otherwise, if we put 0 before any number, there is no change in number, right? If you put 0 after the number, it changes the number, right? Are you getting this point? Especially we are doing this because we have to apply the Nicolam Sutra, and Nicolam Sutra requires that both the numbers should have same number of digits. That's why we have put 0 just to calculate the right hand side part. For the left hand side part, so nothing, not a problem. Just subtract 1 from this number, so it will give you left hand side part. Okay, got the point? Got the point?
Okay.
Okay, similarly now 987. So 987 is there. So what I am doing, I am putting 0 before the number so that 4 digits are here, 4 digits are here. Now subtract 1 from this. So 987 minus 1 will be 986. And right hand side, how it is calculated? Apply Nicolam Sutra. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. And 10 minus 7, 3. Simple. Process is same what we have learned. Only thing is that when in the other number of digits are less, what you have to do? You have to just put 0 and just subtract 1 and apply Nicolam Sutra on this. That's all. This is the case. I think it is clear to you. It is clear to you? Daksh, clear? और किसी को कोई doubt? Yes, clear. Jaina, Simar, Sonal, Vedant.
I'm fine. I'm good.
Fine. Moksha, Pratik, are you getting? Siddhi, is it okay? Siddhi, is it okay? So now what we have learned today? we have learned two important types of multiplication. First is when the number is to be multiplied by 99 series. Now, important point to note here is that, just a minute, एक important point मैं आपको बताना चाह रही हूँ. Just a minute. Just a minute. एक minute.
I have a question.
Yes, beta. Yes.
What if 999 doesn't have enough numbers? What do you put the 0 on the 999?
Just a minute. एक minute. I will revise the things so that things will be clear to you. Let me share the Jamboard. Okay, so that things will be clear to you. There. See.
Nikki, do you have a question?
Yes. Now let me answer you. Please mute yourself. I'm explaining you what is your doubt. Okay. See. Just a minute. Just listen carefully. Just listen carefully. 999 multiply by 25. See the difference. Okay. Here 999 multiply by 125. What differences do you observe? Here 999 is having how many digits? How many digits? 3 digits, right? Are you getting? Here how many digits are there? 3 digits. Here how many digits are? 2. So what I am doing? I am putting 1 0. Okay. Now this answer will be 20. Subtract 1. So 25 minus 1 will be 24. Apply Nicholam Sutra. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 2 7. 10 minus 5 5. Right? Now when other number and these two are having the same number of digits, no need to worry. 125 minus 1 will be 124. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. Right? So we have learned two type of the problems when the 99 series is having. See, so understand, whenever any number is multiplied by 99, 999, 49, 59, in that case only this type of multiplication is used. Right? Other cases, for example, if you are having the problem like this, 26262 multiply by 52, right? Now you will say, can I apply Nicholam Sutra here? No, you cannot apply Nicholam Sutra here, right? If you say 27 multiply by 52, can I apply Nicholam Sutra here? No, I cannot apply Nicholam Sutra. Nicholam Sutra is applied only when we are having the number like this, 99 multiply by 25. We are having the numbers like this, 99 multiply by 565, right? I am having the number like 999 multiply by 82. Are you getting? 999 multiply by 638, right? Clear?
Does it always have to be a 999?
Yes, one set of numbers should be 99 series, other should be this. Now, if I have to solve like this, you will have to use another formula, which I am going to teach you in the next lecture, next session. Okay? Don't worry. So this type of first type of multiplication we have learned using Nicholam Sutra. For this type of multiplication like 25 into 27, we have to use another formula. Okay? So now you can understand that by using this formula, you can solve the answer within seconds. Within seconds. Okay? Yes, boliye. Any other question?
I have a question.
Yes, boliye.
My question was that if you have 265 times 99, would you put the 0 in front of the 99?
265 multiply by what number you are saying? Please
99.
repeat. 99. Yes. Now third, this is the type number 3. Yes, please. Now listen everyone. Yes, I'm telling you, whenever this series is having less number and this is having more number of digits, you cannot apply Nicholam Sutra. Right? Clear? See, 3 cases I am putting in front of you so that you will be clear. Clear?
Can't you just put a 0 in front of the
Listen. I'm putting all 3 types of example. And third case, right? 9 multiply by 125, right? Now understand. First case, 99 series is having more number of digits. Here it is having less number of digits. What you will do? You will put 0, right? And solve. whatever method I have explained you. Here 3 digits. So again use the same method. But this case, when 99 is having less number of digits, please mute. 99 is having less number of digits and this is having more number of digits. Nicolam Sutra cannot be applied. This requires another type of method, another type of formula. Only in these two cases you can use Nicolam Sutra. Okay? Clear? So now I have put up all the three cases. This is my type number 2. This is my type number 1. This is type number 3 problem. So type number 3 problem cannot be solved by Nicolam Sutra. Okay? Yes, anybody is having any other problem?
When will we be able to solve
Ma'am,
this
I have
number?
one more doubt.
Yes, beta. Boliye.
Ma'am, can we do Nicolam Sutra in like 666
Hmm?
into 25?
No, beta.
Six,
No.
six,
No.
six into 20.
No. This requires another formula. Only Nicolam Sutra is used two cases. Pehla kal yesterday I have taught you 1000 minus 225, right? Subtraction of this case. And second Nicolam Sutra is used for 999 multiplied by 125, 999 multiplied by 25 or double nine, sorry, into 25, right? Such problems can be solved by using Nicolam Sutra. Other types of multiplications I will explain you
ma'am.
later on. Okay? Clear? This is clear how so yesterday we have learned this formula. I mean Vedic, Nicolam Sutra for subtraction. Today we have learned Vedic maths formula. Which formula? Nicolam Sutra for such multiplication. Okay? Clear? And this multiplication requires too much time, too much steps to solve. But by using just Nicolam Sutra, we can solve the answer. We can get the answer within seconds, just in 10 seconds. Maximum 10 seconds are required. Okay? So I will give you the homework, do the practice, and the remaining things we will see in the next session. Okay? Thank you so much. I hope the things are clear. Yes, beta.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Jai Jinendra.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Jinendra,
ma'am.
Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank
Jai
you.
Jinendra. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Ranjan Balaji, I'll stop the meeting now.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.